What happens when you put two unlikely things together? We call this technique forced connections. Here, the designer started with lists of things from the office, the kitchen, and the garage, like thumbtacks, scissors, and a cheese grater. Then she mashed these things together to get new product ideas.
I want those scissors. Many great products in history started this way. An RV is a house plus a car. A spork is a spoon plus a fork. The Strida folding bike was inspired by an umbrella.
Graphic designers often put two pictures together to create a double meaning. In these film posters, dancers' legs become a spinning swastika, and Hitler's head is a huge, fragile egg. The letter Z stands for Zurich in this beautiful exhibition poster, and it's a zap of lightning in this logo for an electrical company.
These logos for paper and lumber companies use images of trees. The trees are also arrows pointing up, becoming symbols for economic growth. These logos were designed half a century ago, but they're still in use today.